Hey guys, it's Daryl down here at Lux Autos again. We do have our 2005 Volvo S60 on special right now for $3,999. It's got a lot of work done to it. We got brand new drilled slotted rotors, brand new pads on there as well. We got brand new axles on it. We got a fresh oil change, inspected, smogged, ready to go. Interior of the vehicle is super clean. We got the leather interior that's been well maintained, plenty of room. We also have the sunroof above there. All right, and this vehicle has a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine that gets wonderful gas mileage. It's got plenty of power. If y'all know Volvo is one of the safest vehicles out there. So this is gonna be a perfect vehicle for your first car, a commuter vehicle to go to work. Just plenty of you can do with it. So if you're interested, come down 1631 East Sunset Road, Suite C111. All right, guys, happy holidays. Take care.